Hi guys! We are headed to the airport. Where are we going, hon?
Panama City.
Not Florida, but Panama City, Panama. See y'all at the airport.
So we're boarding the plane. We didn't film anything inside the airport because too much stuff going on, and we got here late, and then we had to eat lunch. But now we're in the gate. We're about to get on the plane, and yeah.
Good morning. We basically got here yesterday, dropped our first stuff, fixed some issues with our rental car, grabbed some food, and took a little drive through the city, but nothing too interesting. So we just got a few clips of the city. But this morning and the rest of the day, we're gonna be going to some national parks and exploring the city some more, going to the older part of the city, and maybe going to see the Miraflores locks, which is part of the Panama Canal. We're about to head out and go on some adventures. We have reached Anya National Park, and it's beautiful so far. We're gonna start walking. I hope it's as beautiful as it is when we enter. We went a few miles extra, but those few miles were beautiful. But we're walking now.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. Got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me.
So we're here. I'm trying to shoot some stuff, but it's fogged up. So because it's so humid over here at this part of the forest, I guess. So I'm gonna keep on shooting with my phone, I guess, until I can clearly get a video. we're gonna go on a trail, and our trail's right there somewhere. Right there. It's also cloudy. Here's where are we going? Okay, let's go. That view over there. It was a steep hill, and
Encountered a snake.
I don't think there's much to say about this, but it's a beautiful view right here.
So I think the part that Paolo forgot to mention is that in the afternoons in pretty much any Central American country during like May to near the end of the year, it typically rains in the afternoon. And so after we left the first national park, it started pouring down rain, and it was raining the whole way till we got here, which took like an hour to get here with all the traffic and madness of Panama, which drivers in Central America are crazy. It is scary. I am so glad he is driving, but the drivers are crazy. It's like a zoo. It's like the animals are driving. It's madness. But we are enjoying this hike. It is so beautiful. Afterward, we're gonna go get something to eat, and then I think we're gonna shop a little bit and take a break from hiking for a bit. So we're basically going like straight back down after we went straight back up. I just want to show you his setup right now. He has phone in one hand, GoPro in the other, and there he falls.
Yeah!
It's not the safest setup.
Whoa!
Look where you're going! Oh my gosh.
I would fall today.
They all saw. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna continue now.
We just ate at a Cafe Coca-Cola. It was so good. And now we're in... It's really nice. There's some shops and whatever. It's pretty cool.
Back at the hotel.
Yay!
Paolo is about to go shower. I just got out and I got this cute shirt in Casco Viejo. we just got back from there and we went shopping. We bought a few shirts and got some local like fruit juices, I guess. And that's something we like to do, I guess. We like to go see
Oops, forgot my clothes.
We like to try like local foods and stuff. So we like to go, like there's several like American places here. Like we saw Wingstop, obviously all the like the fast food stuff, but we don't go to those places. We like to try the local things. So we went to, last night we went to Pew Pew, I guess it's called. It was like a chicken place last night. And then this morning, food was included at the hotel. There were like empanadas and papas, eggs, huevos, fruit. And so yeah, it was a really good breakfast. So in Casco Viejo, we went, that's where we got the food at Coca-Cola Cafe. Down the street though, it was really awesome because there were like a bunch of shops. It turned into like this beautiful, like almost Havana, Cuba looking place. It was really beautiful. And so we went shopping there. Then we just walked back to our car, decided to come back to the hotel to shower because we were feeling rather gross. Now I'm feeling much better. And we're gonna go explore a little more. I'm hoping we get to see the Bridge of the Americas, but we're gonna try to go over there before it gets dark and then probably eat somewhere in town, explore a little more. I'm not sure. We'll see.
The airport. We're heading back home. We're going through chocolate and get some stuff, and we're gonna go back home. There's our plane back there.